What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Brailsford's Rides. In today's episode, we will be installing the inner and outer tail lights on a 2003 Sequoia. This is applicable for all first generation Sequoias, and we got both lights here. I'm not sure which one's which, but as you can see, I have the lights turned on and they are not super bright. This one's actually dead, so let's go to this side. They're not overly bright during the daytime, so we're gonna go ahead and swap these out real quick. So the first thing you're gonna need is your trusty 10mm, if you can find it. You're just gonna
what are you doing?
take these guys off here. Once you get that off, the back one is just a push tab. You're gonna have to yank it out. So we should just be changing out the tail light itself, the outer. We'll pull that guy out and replace it with its Oxido replacement. You got your Oxido replacement, you just slide it right in, you put it back in, and you're gonna twist it back into place. Once you do that, you're gonna take that further and pin, the front pin, go ahead and pop it back in. And once that's in, put it back in place, and then bolt your 10mm back in. Now for the inner tail lights, you're gonna do the same thing. Got two more 10mm. And you're just gonna get those off. I'm just gonna loosen them up. And this guy should just pop out.
Cookie.
So we're gonna take that, we're gonna unscrew it. We'll take our new tail light from Oxido. Pull the old one. Plug in the new. All right. Then put your 10mm nuts back on. All right, now let's test these things out. Next, we'll get you guys a comparison of the LED versus the OEM. Make sure the lights are on. Lights are on. And there is the LED.
I love it.
And that's the OEM.
I love it.
You can already see how much brighter that's going to be. That is a large difference, guys. But I'm a big fan of these. I'll put the link for these bulbs in the description down below. Again, this was your outer tail light, and this is your inner tail light, and I'll get the part numbers in there for you guys. Again, here's the standard bulb, and there's the LED. Way brighter. As you can see, this is significantly brighter than the OEM lights were, so I do recommend these Oxido LEDs. If you're looking to get yourself set, I'm going to put this link in the description down below for all first gen Toyota Sequoias. And I'm sure it works on some other vehicles from Toyota as well. Now Sequoia's rocking Oxido headlights, which are extremely bright. We got some nice off-road floodlights. And we also got Oxido taillights. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota Sequoia first gen Overlander build videos. We got more Sequoia, camping, and Mustang content coming, guys. You won't want to miss it. Click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Brailsford's Rides. Stay blessed, stay safe, take care.